Welcome to our Monday's cooking class. Now, do you remember what we learned last week when we talked about our solar system? Well, look at this. I have some stars around. This week, we're going to be talking about planets. Now, remember, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. 4 rocky planets and 4 gas giants. They're very big. Now, how do you imagine that astronauts go from one planet to the other? What do they need? Do they just swim around in space? No, they need a rocket ship, right? Now, today we're going to be doing some really amazing thing in our cooking class. We're going to be doing a rocket ship made out of some things. So, let's see what we need. For our rocket ship, we will need 1 pepper that we're going to be cutting. We'll need a little bit of pate or cream cheese. You can choose either or. We'll need some lovely yummy tortillas. That's for our ingredients. And for our things that we're going to be using to do that is 1 knife, 1 plate, and 1 cutting board. Now, I'm going to wait for you to go and wash your hands very well. Go, 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 go. Remember, wash your hands so they can all be clean. So now we're going to cutting the pepper. Now, I'm going to be using half of it. With this, you need your parents' help, okay? So don't do it alone. With knife, be very gentle. I'll use half of a pepper and I'll cut it in strips. Like so. Look, I'm going to be cutting it in strips like this because we're going to use it later. Okay, be very gentle. This is very sharp, so be very gentle with your fingers. If you need, please ask your mommy and daddy to help you out, okay? So I'm going to be cutting this in strips. Now let's see. I like eating it raw. So we're going to be cutting this in strips, like so. I don't think I'll need any more, but we'll see. So we'll put this aside, and now you are going to ask your mommy and daddy to help you open this. I'm an adult, so I'm going to be cutting a little hole here. Your mommy and daddy need to help you, right? Something came out. Right. Cream cheese you can use instead of a pate if you don't have it. If you prefer cream cheese, that's okay. If you prefer pate, that's okay too. I like pate. Now we're going to open our pack. Our pack of tortillas, and we're going to take 2 out, and you'll see why. So, I'll take 2 out, 1, and then another one, and we're going to be doing this. I'll move this a little bit aside, and in our plate, we're going to start arming our lovely rocket ship. So, we'll put one like this, and you can put a little bit of pate, and you can spread it. Now I'll spread it with a knife. You can spread it with a little bit with a spoon or a blunt knife or anything like this. This is going to be my base. That's going to help me get everything stuck together, right? And now, because I really like peppers, and you can use anything from carrots or tomatoes or any vegetables that you like, I'm going to be putting them in the middle like this. A few of them. But remember, now this is an important part. I'm going to be leaving 3, kind of like going out of this. And I'm going to be doing this. Look, 1 and 2. And tucking it at the sides, remember? And now that we have our rocket ship, well, it's starting to look like a rocket ship. We're going to be cutting some wings for it, right? So, remember? We pulled out 1 extra tortilla and we're going to be cutting it in strips. Be very careful. I'll cut it in half like this, and then I'll put the 2 halves together and I'll cut it in another half. And look at that. And I'll do that one more time by putting it like this and cutting it in half as well. And now we're going to take 2 and we're going to put it like this for our wings, all right? Our rocket ship needs some wings. And for this, our rocket ship needs some windows for astronauts to see. So I'm going to be putting it like this. And there we go. Our rocket ship is armed. Now you can eat this now or you can wait for your snack time. But enjoy your rocket chips, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye!